Dramatic developments that we witnessed in Kolkata. The Mamta government versus doctors deadlock unfortunately continuing after it seemed that there were some positive developments. Once again stalemate as protesting doctors refused to meet with the Chief Minister, refused to enter her residence. These are images of Mamta Banerjee waiting at her house entrance for the protesting doctors delegation, but they didn't turn up. They waited at the gate, refusing to come in because their videographer wasn't allowed inside. The doctors are adamant on their demand to live stream the meeting. Mamta Banerjee then stepped out, came to the entrance of her home, met with these protesting doctors, and she agreed to their condition but added a rider saying that the telecast of the meet will happen only if the Supreme Court allows. So for now, the standoff between Mamta Banerjee, between the Mamta government and the protesting doctors, unfortunately, continues.
আমি তোমাদের আগেও বলেছি কেন আমি ভিডিও তোমাদের কাছে আজকেই দিতে পারছি না বা টোটালটাই রেকর্ড করে আমি ভিডিও তোমাদের তখনই দেব আমি সুপ্রিম কোর্ট থেকে পারমিশন নিয়ে দেব আমি কথা দিচ্ছি আমি ভিডিও আমরাও কেউ ইউজ করব না।
हम लोग जो ट्रांसपेरेंसी का डिमांड किए थे तो हम लोग पहले लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग मांगे थे, वो लोग मना कर दिए। क्या रीजन है नहीं बोले। फिर हम लोग बोले कि हम लोग एक वीडियो रिकॉर्डर ले जाते हैं, आप लोग कर रहे हैं, हम लोग को भी करने दीजिए। मना कर दिए, रीजन नहीं बोले। फिर हम लोग बोले ठीक है आप लोग वीडियो कर रहे हैं तो वो ही वीडियो क्लिप हमें दे दीजिए। नहीं माने, क्या रीजन नहीं बोले। ठीक है, फिर हम लोग बोले ठीक है आप मिनट्स ऑफ द मीटिंग दे दीजिए हम लोग को। फिर भी वो लोग बोले कि आज टाइम हो गया, आज चले जाइए।
हम लोग वीडियोग्राफी में भी रेडी थे, बस हमें वीडियोग्राफी का फाइल चाहिए था, उसके लिए भी हम तैयार थे। इवन जब मैडम ने हमसे रिक्वेस्ट किया तो हम मिनट्स के लिए भी रेडी हो गए। उस बीच में हम थोड़ा डिस्कशन कर रहे थे कि चलते हैं। इस बीच में हम डिस्कशन करके जाने वाले थे, तब हमें बोला गया कि वक्त खत्म हो गया, 9 बज गए हैं, वक्त कंप्लीट हो गया, अभी आपसे मैडम नहीं मिल सकती है।
Suryagni Roy is joining us live with more details on this. Suryagni, there was hope that there'd be a breakthrough today, but doesn't look like that's going to happen with this latest showdown. The doctors adamant, saying live streaming must happen or there's no question of the stalemate ending.
Well, Akshita, to sum up the long and short of the entire development for the past 4 hours comes to to a conclusion that the talks didn't happen. So the impasse continues. There's no breakthrough because the talks didn't happen. As you mentioned, Akshita, again the bone of contention over here was live streaming at first and then videography. The doctors said that they are okay if it's videographed, but they want their person also in that meeting to videograph the entire sequence. The state said that they will Mamta Banerjee herself said that after she'll take permission from the Supreme Court, and after that she will give the doctors the recorded copy of the video proceedings. So that conversation happened. Mamta Banerjee walked out of her residence and also told the doctors that it's raining hard, use the umbrellas that the government has given you over there because it's still raining over here. So despite all of it, what we saw in the end was that the doctors claimed that at the end they were ready to get in and have a discussion, but they were informed by the Chief Secretary that time is up for now and the meeting can't happen right now.